Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about one of the birds that has been named after a very well-known person. The Alexandrine parakeet. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The Alexandrine parakeet, also known as the Alexandrine parrot, is a medium-sized parrot. It is named after Alexander the Great, who transported numerous birds from Punjab to various European and Mediterranean countries and regions, where they were prized by the royalty, nobility, and warlords. Native to South and Southeast Asia, introduced to parts of Europe and Hong Kong. Large and long-tailed green parakeet with a bright red beak. Female lacks male's pink and black ring around the neck. Note the dark red shoulder patches. Found in both dry and wet forests, typically in lowlands but occasionally in foothills. The Alexandrine parakeet has established feral populations in Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Iran, where it lives alongside feral populations of its close relative, the rose-winged parakeet. Raucous and loud, gives piercing screeches and screams. Their calls are like locally named Labu Girawa. I have seen the Alexandrine parakeet in many places. One such place I have seen them is Udawalawa National Park. As introduced before, Udawalawa National Park is best known for birds and elephants. It has one of the best elephant densities in the world, and you won't be disappointed by the amount of the birds that you will spot during your safari as well.